got my center clip. I'm going to plop this bad boy on. Now I put my toppers on probably about an inch away from my hairline, because when I fold it over, the hair itself is pretty close there to the front. And then I'm going to take the side clips here and pull it pretty tightly to my head. And then I'm going to scoop up my hair, but I'm going to let it kind of fall flat, let it do its thing comfortably, and then I will, you know, close the clips. I'm going to put my hand here and really stretch it down to my scalp. There are a lot of clips on this one. And I'm just going to tug on it a little bit, let it scoop up the hair, let it kind of slide up a tiny bit, and close it. And it feels really, really comfortable. Very comfortable, actually. Okay, so here she is, all straight and gorgeous. My Lord, can you imagine? Well, we don't have to imagine. That's the beauty. So I do have some box hair here. You know how I really like my hair's fibers. I do have a tiny little bit of fill-in powder, but honestly, I probably would put a little bit more to take away from that gap between my scalp, that little half to, I have it at probably about an inch away. I could probably move it a little closer if that bothered me a little bit, but that's why I kind of brush my hair up and then just kind of let it kind of go up and away, and then I'll hairspray that a little bit. So that really helps you guys a lot. So the main thing you want to do is make sure that the part is lining up with your part, because otherwise it's not going to jive, and it's just not gonna blend and fool the eye as much. It looks really, really nice. This is amazing.